Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very happy, beautiful, and good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are safe. All my students are safe at home. All of it and fine. Okay, that's good. I have shared the Google form, I think, once. Those who have joined, please fill it. I'll just share it once again. Just wait.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jashan. So many good mornings. Make your morning good. Okay, thank you for making my morning good. Do the same. Okay, so first of all, today is no any important day today. First of all, today is 19th May, but there is no any important day related to science. If you have any knowledge, you can share. Okay. In my knowledge, there is no any important.
Ma'am.
Yes. Good morning. So next thing about completion of work. So my dear students, please, all of you are requested to complete your work, please, because it is for your benefit only. Still, so many students are there who have not completed the work. Today, I'm going to compile the list. I have marked in my diary that who have sent me the work and those who have not sent any work yet. Okay. So I will send the names today, the names of the defaulters, those who have not sent any of the work till now. I know there are students. I don't know whether they have completed the work or not, but they have not sent any work to me. Okay, but some have sent and some have done their work very nicely, very brilliantly. Okay, appreciation for them. And next thing, yesterday I shared the practice assignment. So today we are going to discuss only that. Okay. So was it simple or tough?
Simple.
Okay. Okay. Have you solved it? Have you solved it? Can you just show me the notebooks? All of you,
Yes, ma'am.
show me your notebooks where you have solved it. Let me see how many of you have solved. All of you take out your notebooks where you have solved the assignment because we are going to discuss that. Okay, Astik is showing very good. Who else? Nobody else yet. Okay, Nitesh, yes, switch on your videos, all of you, and show me the notebook where you have solved the assignment. Gunpreet is showing very good. Some are not switching on their cameras. They are hiding their faces. Okay, Soumya has done. Samardeep has done. Maulik has done. Manat Chopra has done. Okay. Akshara is also showing. Very good. Anybody else? Those who have switched off their cameras, please switch on your cameras. I want to see. All of you switch on your cameras. You should sit properly, na? It is your class. Official class is going on, so you should get up on time. You should get ready on time. You should dress up nicely, and then you should sit for your class. Don't unmute. So still see very less students have done the assignment seriously. So those who have not done it, it is their loss only. Shriyan, have you done? You didn't show. Why? Unmute yourself. Yes, Maulik, I have seen. I saw. Good. Shriyan, why didn't you do the assignment? Manat is showing. I know. Okay, I got to know. I got to know that who has done and who has not. So that's very bad on their part, those who have not done it. And it is their loss only, not anybody's else. And obviously those who have solved the assignment, they will be benefited from it. I told you to do it, but you didn't do it. So I don't know where is the problem then. So let me discuss.
Ma'am, I am learning chapters.
Okay, you were
Ma'am,
learning.
I am learning chapters.
Okay, that's also fine, but at least you should try doing it, no? Even if you are learning the chapters, I don't think how much time. Did you solve the Google form or
Ma'am,
not yet?
today.
Did you solve the Google form? That also not done? Okay. So please, you can do it still. You have time and Google form is still open. Those who have not attempted the Google form also, they can also do it. But first I will share. So just wait. Let us discuss the Google form first. It was very simple. Don't annotate on my screen. Why you be naughty? Just wait. It is opening up. Actually, net is slow, I think. It will take some time. So you will only raise your hands for giving the answers. No collective answers. Just wait. I have to see the participants also. Okay. So you're raising hand first only. Let me at least read the question first. That's good. I want all the hands to be raised. Okay, so this was your Google form that was shared yesterday. So the first question was, fox is an omnivore. Is it true or false? Mehak will give the answer. Yes, Mehak. Mehak, unmute your.
Ma'am, true.
Yes, very good. The answer is true.
Ma'am,
because,
true.
yes, fox is an omnivore. Okay, next is the sweet juice that bees collect from flower. Please don't unmute. I will take the names. Otherwise, I will keep all mute. Yes, second question. The sweet juice that bees collect from flower is called honey, nectar, serum, or what it is? Sap.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, just wait. Maulik will give the answer. Yes, Maulik.
Ma'am, nectar.
Yes, very
Ma'am,
good.
nectar.
So here you don't get confused. It is nectar here. Okay. From the nectar, they make honey. So the sweet juice, or you can say the raw material which they use to produce honey, is called nectar, which they collect from the flowers. And then they take the nectar to the beehives and then they produce honey there. Okay. Third one, the edible part in lettuce and spinach is root, stem, leaf.
Ma'am, may I?
Seed. No, wait. No, may I. Dakshita will give the answer.
Ma'am, answer is leaf.
Answer is
Leaf.
Yes, answer is leaf. So you know that lettuce and spinach that we eat is they are leaves. Okay, next one. Materials required to prepare a food are called nutrients, ingredients, nourishments, minerals.
Ingredients.
Ingredients. Ingredients.
Ingredient.
Ingredients.
All of you speak together then.
Ma'am, ingredient.
Ingredient.
Ingredients.
Ingredient.
You can't
Ingredients.
Ingredients.
Ingredient.
Ingredient.
hold your excitement, I think.
Ma'am, ingredient.
Okay, that's fine. Yes, the correct answer is ingredients. That's good. Okay, next one. Identify the change happening in the picture. So this picture is of baking of roti.
Irreversible.
Irreversible.
Irreversible change. Irreversible change.
Yes. So answer is irreversible change because once the atta is baked into roti, so roti cannot be reversed again to form atta. Okay, so that's why it is irreversible change. Next is which of the following is not an example of the changes that occur by mixing two substances? Salt dissolved in water, mixing sand and water, sugar dissolved in water, burning of a matchstick.
Burning of matchstick.
Burning of matchstick.
Burning of matchstick.
Burning.
Burning of matchstick. Burning of matchstick.
Burning of
matchsticks.
Okay, yes,
Burning of matchstick.
right answer. So the answer is burning of a matchstick because you know that in all the other three options we have two substances. In the first one we have salt and water, second we have sand and water, third we have sugar and water. But in the fourth option, there is only one thing. Only we are burning the matchstick. So we only have matchstick. There is no any other substance mixed in it. So obviously that is the correct answer where no two substances are there which are mixed. Next one, when iron is heated, it contracts, expands, dissolves, or
Expands.
Expands. Expands.
It expands.
okay. Yes, it expands. Why it expands?
Expands.
Because I told you the concept that on heating. Okay, so whenever you heat metals, they expand, and then when you cool it off, then they again what?
It contracts.
Yes,
Contracts.
right. Okay, next one. A girl uses a worn out ruler. Worn out means, I hope you know the meaning of worn out. Worn out means broken one, old. Okay, old ruler scale to measure the length of a table in her room. She placed the ruler such that
Ma'am, 30.5.
please
30.5 centimeters.
okay,
Ma'am, 30.5. Ma'am, 30. Ma'am, 35.
can
Ma'am,
we
33.5.
can we have some discipline in the class? I want all of you to keep mute and please only those will unmute whom I will take the name. Astik, please unmute yourself. Only Astik.
Good morning,
all
ma'am.
of you are intelligent, all of you know the answers, but there are some students who are not speaking and they want to know the answers, they want to understand the things. So they should also understand the thing. And please, all of you mute yourself. Soumya, you are also unmute. Please, my voice is echoing. If all of you will unmute, I am hearing my voice only back. Yes, now fine. Only Astik will unmute.
Ma'am, 30.5 centimeter.
Yes. So read the question first.
A girl uses a worn-out ruler to measure the length of a table in her room. She placed the ruler such that the starting mark is 3 centimeter and the ending mark is 33.5 centimeter. The length of the table is.
Yes. So how will you solve it? First of all, tell.
Ma'am, we will subtract 3 centimeter from 33.5 centimeter.
Yes, very good. So we have to subtract it, and the answer that we will get is, what is the correct answer? 30.5 centimeters. Okay. Now for the next question, only raise hands, please. The correct length is, only raise hands, no speaking and unmuting. I'll take the name, wait. Okay, Pranay Gaba, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
The correct length is 3.2 centimeter.
Okay, can you tell why? Why the correct length is 3.2 centimeter? Pranay, I'm talking to you. You're again mute.
Ma'am, because they have marked.
You just tell no that we have studied 3 precautions. We have studied 3 precautions. So in that, the third precaution says what? What is the third precaution that we have learned? And on the basis of that, we are giving the answer of this question. Can you tell me that third precaution that we have read? Okay, Gunpreet. Gunpreet, unmute if you can. Okay, those who can tell me the third precaution that we have read out of 3.
Ma'am, the correct position of a
Who is speaking? Who was speaking?
ma'am.
Okay, I'm asking Shriyan. Be fast.
Ma'am, we should avoid. Ma'am, we should avoid using. Ma'am, we should start measuring from 1 centimeter.
I'm asking the third precaution which is related to this question. Only just tell me that, not other 2. Okay, Satvir. Satvir, unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Tell fast. Can you tell the precaution?
Ma'am, which question?
The correct length
Ma'am,
is,
9th.
can you see this diagram here? It is there in front of your screen. The correct length is, so out of this you have to tell the correct length and you have to explain. What am I asking? You're not listening only, you're lost. Okay, Satvik.
Ma'am, correct length 3.2 centimeter.
Why? I want the explanation. Why so? Satvik, explanation. Okay, Yashu. Arey Baba, who will give me the explanation? Koi to de do.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am, may I?
Can I, may I, can I, may I, can I, may I?
May I?
Okay, ask it.
May I? Ma'am, because correct position of eye is needed, and at 3 centimeter, the eye is in direct contact.
Direct contact? Bapre. Direct contact क्या होता है? Means when they touch each other.
Ma'am, it
Direct
is
contact
direct
means if you
above
take direct
3.
position.
Ma'am, it is Direct above the 3.2
Yes.
centimeter.
Yes, so while taking the reading, we should position our eye just above, just vertically above the reading which we are taking. So here which is the correct position of the eye? So here B is the correct position of the eye. So that's why B is giving the correct accurate measurement, that is 3.2. Okay, not this one. A and C is the wrong positioning of the eye. B is the correct positioning of the eye. इतनी सी बात थी. Okay, last one. Which is the correct relationship? Manvi Chopra, be fast.
Ma'am, may I please?
Okay, we have
Ma'am,
assignment to discuss. No
that is
worries.
equal to 100 centimeter.
So 10th question, which is the correct relationship? Answer is the first option. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. That's it. Okay, now we will solve the practice assignment also. That is more important. What do I need to do? To stop sharing. Okay, now look here. So all of you take out your assignment if you have it with you. I will take out in my phone. Okay. Because there was the numerical is confusing, I think. Okay. Okay, who will read the first question of the assignment? Very simple question. Okay, now assignment question number 1. Manpreet Singh Pink.
One day you were busy from morning to evening. You couldn't have your lunch. How did you feel?
Yes, answer. Because see, this question has not any one perfect answer. Here answer may vary. Because this is a situation based question, and you know that CBSE has introduced these kind of questions now. So in your question paper you will expect these kind of questions. These are known as situation based questions, means you are put up in one or in any of the situation, and then it is asked that how would you feel in that situation, or what you will do in that situation. Okay, so these questions are you can say situation based questions which will come, that because these questions make you think that you are in that situation and what will you do when you are facing that situation. Okay, yes, Manpreet, yes, answer.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Simran, you can give.
I will feel very tired. I did not have the energy to do any work. I will feel hungry.
Okay, yes, I will feel hungry. I'll feel too much hungry, and my stomach will make groaning sounds, or I will not have the energy to do any work. I'll not be able to stand. I'll feel exhausted. I'll feel tired. Okay, so all these things you can write. So if it is for 2 marks, that means at least 2 lines you have to write. Okay, always attempt the questions according to the marks. If it is for 1 mark, then 1 sentence. If it is for 2 marks, that means 2 sentences you need to write. And if it is for 3 marks, that means 3 sentences you have to write. Okay, so it is for 2 marks. So any 2 sentences will give you full 2 marks. Next question, who will read out? Okay, Satvik. Satvik, read the next question fast.
When a candle burns, both physical and chemical change occur. Explain.
Occur, me, occur. Occur. It's occur. Okay, both changes occur. So explain. So can you tell me the answer also? Which are the 2 changes that are occurring when we burn the candle?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, tell.
Physical change, melting of wax, no new substance formed.
Don't
Chemical change, burning of.
don't give me the answers which I have provided you today in the answer key. I want the answers that you have written in your assignment yesterday. How did you solve it? I want the original answers. Don't give me the answers that I have given you. Okay, did you write like this only in your assignment when you solved it? Who can give me the answer which they have written? Okay, Astik.
Candle occurs physical change when its wax melts, and it occur chemical change when its wicks burns.
बच्चे occur क्या होता है? Means this sentence formation is wrong. Candle occurs नहीं. You will say physical change occurs. Okay, candle occurs nahi means occurring is something happening. So physical change occurs when we burn the candle, and chemical change also occurs when we burn the candle. So then have you mentioned it, which changes, which is a physical change and which is a chemical change?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, when it wax melts, it occurs physical change, and when
It
it
occurs nahi.
wicks
Again,
burns,
that is wrong usage of occurring. Okay, what have you written? When
ma'am, I have written sentences. Candle occur physical change when it wax melts.
candle undergoes physical change. Candle occurs nahi. Candle undergoes physical change, or you can write candle possess physical change. Candle occurs is wrong. Okay, it undergoes physical change, and physical change is melting of wax because there is no any new substance formed. And chemical change is burning of the wick because there we get new substances in the form of ash and gases. Clear? Only two things. So 2 marks question, 2 points you have to write. Physical change and chemical change, and explain also. Okay, 13th question. Who will read out? Anybody interested in reading?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may
may
I?
I?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Simran.
Ma'am, may I?
Simran.
Ma'am, may I?
Simran.
Weaving many layers of
No, it is
cotton
not
clothes.
weaving. It is not weaving, it is wearing.
Wearing many layers of cotton clothes will keep you warm in winter as wearing a thick woolen sweater. Why?
Can you give the answer also?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, give it then.
Wearing many layers of cotton clothes keep you warm because it's make many layers, so we keep you
Okay.
warm than winters as wearing a thick woolen sweater.
That's fine, but what will happen inside the layers? So if it will form many layers, so what will happen in between the layers? I told you the concept.
Ma'am, the air will not go out.
Yes, air will
Ma'am,
not
the
go
air
out.
will
No,
not go
air
out.
will not go in. So, if it is the one side, what if anybody is wearing many layers of cotton clothes, so here the body is there. Okay, here is the body, and here is the outside environment. So what will happen? So if many layers of cotton clothes will be there, so the body heat will not escape out. The body heat will remain in, and outside the cold air, that will also not go in, that will also remain out. Okay, so that's why it will help you to keep warm, because in between the layers, what will be formed? Air spaces. Air spaces will be there, and these air spaces will trap the air. They will not let the air flow from one place to another. So that will form a barrier, you can say. Okay, that is the answer that you need to write. Then B part, it also has a B part. So what is the B part? That how are natural fibers better than synthetic fibers? So who will answer this question? Shriyan, can you answer?
Ma'am, may I?
How are natural
Yes.
fibers better than
Yes.
synthetic fibers? Yes, Shriyan. Be fast.
The natural fibers are better than
Soumya, mute. Wait,
fibers
wait.
because
Yes. Yes, Shriyan, speak.
because natural fibers are very comfortable in wearing, and synthetic fibers are not comfortable as natural fibers are comfortable. Synthetic fibers also catches fire, and natural fiber not catches fire.
Does not catch fire easily. Yes, so they absorb sweat, they are comfortable to wear, they allow the air to pass, they're eco-friendly, they do not catch fire easily. So many points are there. So any 2-3 points you can write in this question. Okay. Okay, fine. Now see the numerical. That is the most important thing.
Ma'am, may I read next question?
Yes, what?
Ma'am, may I read
Okay,
the
yes,
next
ma'am.
question?
Okay, read 14th one.
Ma'am, height of a person is equal to one height mm,
You're not
height.
audible. There is one typing mistake in this question. Only
Ma'am,
asked me yesterday. Yes.
ma'am, the height of a person is
Heart?
1.82 centimeter.
Heart ki height. The
Ma'am, height
heart of a person is 1.82 meter. बाप रे इतना बड़ा दिल. Okay, yes, height.
express it into centimeter and millimeter.
Yes. So see, sorry for this typing mistake here. So here is one typing mistake. It is 1.2 meters, not centimeter. Okay, but nobody asked me yesterday this question, and I did not get the query. Only one student was there who asked me. So that means only he was doing the work sincerely. Only Astik asked me this query in the evening. That ma'am, here mistake is there. It is 1.2 meters, not centimeters. So see, these kind of mistakes will let me know that who is doing the work sincerely. Okay, so very good, Astik, for that. Okay, so express it into centimeter and millimeter. This is the very similar question that we have done in the back exercise also in the NCERT. Okay, same question is there. So how would you solve it? Height of a person is 1.82 meter. You have to convert it into in centimeters. How, what we will do? So in centimeters, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1.82 we will convert. First we will just remove the decimal, and when we will remove the decimal point, so two decimal point is two numbers behind. So two zeros will come over 100, and then we have to multiply also it with 100. Simply cut the zeros and we will be left with 182 centimeters. Clear? Okay. So 2 minutes are left. Just let me share the Google form once again. Tomorrow again we will continue. So we have. Okay. So tomorrow we will do this. Because otherwise we will not be able to complete it. So till then, please complete your work. Take good care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Have a good day. And please complete your work. Those who have not done it, all the activities are important. Again, I'm telling you. Some have done the question